Hi guys, I'm right here. It's me, my new Buddha bird pop-up card designed by Jeremy Shafer. This is a model that he designed. So yeah, here it is. This, and I'll show you it right now. So it's like this, and then this here is a Bodhi leaf, which the Buddha bird achieves enlightenment. Here's the bird. Here's the head, and wings, and the tail. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, by the way, this model was suggested by Ali Hamada, who wanted me to do a demo of the Buddha bird pop-up card. So here it is. Hope you like it, Ali Hamada. Alright, there it is, the Buddha bird pop-up card. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.